Hello viewers, hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. Still on the topic of linear inequations, chapter number 4. Today I will actually show you how to solve the linear inequations. For that we need two very important terms. One is replacement set and the other one is the solution set. We need to very clearly see the meaning of replacement set and the solution set. If we are not able to properly differentiate between them, then it will not be possible for all of us to properly make use of them in the answers. So, first of all, we need to see that both of them are the form of two different kind of sets only, with different names. Replacement set will always be given to you in the question. It will be provided to you with the question, and solution set we have to find using the replacement set. Solution set is to be found in the question and replacement set is always given in the question. So this is the most important word, that this will be given in the question and this we have to find in the answer. Second very major difference between these two is that replacement set is always a bigger set, whereas solution set is always a smaller set, and it will always be surely the subset of the replacement set. That, for example, I say if replacement set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the solution set will always be the subset, will always be its subset only. That means the members of the solution set will definitely be some members from the replacement set only. I will explain you this point with one more example. Let us say we have got a variable x. We have one inequation here that x is less than or equal to 4, and we are also given one more condition on x. On our same variable, one more condition is given, that x belongs to whole numbers. X belongs to a set of whole numbers. So here we have imposed two conditions on our variable. Remember that the replacement set and the solution set are the two different sets for the values to be found for our variable only. That means from these two different kind of sets we will get the range of our variable. Now this is x belongs to whole number and x is less than or equal to 4. So here this is the set from which the value of the variable is to be selected. So it has become our bigger set, that is, it has become our replacement set. And from this bigger set we have to see that which values of our variable or which values our variable will satisfy. It means now with the help of these two we will write our solution set. What will be the solution set? X is less than or equal to 4 and x belongs to whole number. It simply means that we have to select those whole numbers whose value is less than or equal to 4. Again see, we have to select those values for x which are whole numbers as well as less than or equal to 4. Simultaneously our x should satisfy both the conditions. The bigger set is this. So first of all, always see the whole numbers. Always see the bigger set. That x belongs to whole numbers and x is less than or equal to 4 means that solution set will be simply So you can very well imagine those whole numbers which are less than or equal to 4. So the whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and one more 4 we have to take. Why we have to take 4? Because here we have got equal to sign also. Suppose there was no equal to sign, x is less than 4 only was there, then we would have taken only up to 3. With the help of this example, I think the meaning and the application of replacement set and the solution set is clear to you. Now we come to the solution part of our linear inequations. Students, one more point we have to see before we actually solve the linear inequations, that if the replacement set is given a set of natural numbers, whole numbers or integers, then you are supposed to write solution set in the roster form. And if the replacement set is given a set of real numbers, then we have to write solution set in the set builder form. These are two different kind of forms of writing a set. I will elaborate more on these when I actually solve the inequations for you. So you should remember these two combinations. If the replacement set is these, then write the solution set in the roster form, and if it is a set of real numbers, then we have to write it in the set builder form. And remember, set of real numbers is always written in the set builder form. I will explain more in the later stage. Now let us come to the exercise part. Exercise 4a. I have selected question number 3 part 1 to be solved. Question says if x belongs to natural number, so this is given, so it will be our replacement set. If x belongs to natural numbers, find the solution set of, this is the inequation given to us, 5x plus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 18. Now, if we go with the traditional way of solving the inequations, then this is the way. Otherwise, I will solve with a different way. If I make you clear the traditional way, that is, we have to find solution set, means we will find the values of x variable. Whatever is attached with the term of x, we will try to remove it. First of all, we have got plus 3 here. So in order to remove plus 3 from here, we have to add minus 3 on both sides, only so that this plus 3 and minus 3 gets neutralized, and finally we are able to get rid of this plus 3 from the left hand side of the inequation. And do you remember that if we are doing one operation on one side, equally we have to do the same operation, so that the overall effect is 0, null effect. Now this, with the help of this operation, we will be able to remove plus 3, so nothing left here. Less than or equal to 2x 18 minus 3 will give us plus 15. Now in order to remove, with this we have got x here, in order to remove plus 15 from here, what we are supposed to do, both sides we are supposed to do an operation, what kind, that minus 15 to be added here, and equally this side also, so that 5x minus 15 gives you 2x, and we are able to remove this. So, but we will solve this by the modern rules, and those rules I have explained in my previous videos, and you also will remember those very easy rules. We have got the terms with variable 5x and 2x. We will take the terms with variable to one side and the constant terms to other side, and you can very easily tell, if I want to take up this 2x to this side, it will get with minus 2x, less than or equal to plus 3 is the constant term, so it will go with the constant term side, that is plus 3 will go as a minus 3. This was the first rule I told in my first video, that positive term, when it goes to the other side of inequality, goes with the minus sign. Okay. Now 5x minus 2x will give you 3x, less than or equal to 18 minus 3 is 15. So now multiplication part, simple, you know, will go in the division, so that x less than or equal to 3 5s are 15 with one more condition imposed on x. What was the bigger replacement set given to us? There, x belongs to natural numbers. So here we have to write those things. Now, again we have come to the same situation that two conditions are imposed on our variable. One is it should be less than or equal to 5. Another is it should be a natural number. This is the replacement set. With the help of this, we are supposed to now write the solution set. Solution set, again I remind you the same thing. If the replacement set is set of natural numbers, we are supposed to write the solution set in the form of which form? In the roster form only. Now, natural numbers, all natural numbers you have to speak which are less than or equal to 5, and the natural numbers start from 1. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and now tell me, are we going to take 5 also? Yes, because here we have got the equal to also, so we will include this 5 and the set is over here. So this is called the roster form. This form is called a roster form. There is one more name of this form, and the answer for that you will tell me in the comment section. So I again repeat the question, what is the other name with which we know the roster form of writing a set? So students, we have written the solution set of this question. I hope this way of solving the linear inequation by using the rules is clear to you. You may solve more answers and you may do more practice by applying the rules. I will see you in the next video now with more sums and more answers. If anything you want to ask, you should ask. If you like my today's video, please like, share and subscribe. And again an appeal to all of you, please take best care of yourself. Remain inside and please pray to God. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.